Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Autoclose on the application of Messenger. Here we go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you are scrolling down until you find this window here of Messenger, and you click. Then in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment. Then you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.